I get the red boat.
I hope I get the orange boat. Jack, did you know that this is my favorite ride in the whole amusement park?
Me too. It's so fun.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's get in line.
Okay.
Okay, life jacket.
Thank you. I'll put it on.
Life
Thank
jacket.
you, sir.
The red boat is ready. Who would like to go first?
Me, please.
Okay, hop on.
Be careful, Jack.
I will. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to lift the yellow wall and please keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Ready?
Go!
Woo!
Woohoo! Yeah, this is so much fun. Woohoo! Yahoo! Yahoo!
Hey, Jack, are you having fun?
Yeah,
Glad to hear it. I can't wait for my turn.
yeah, it will be so much fun for you. Okay.
Okay, the orange boat is ready. You can hop on now.
I'm so excited.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah?
Hang on. Please keep your hands and feet inside.
Woohoo! Woohoo! I love this ride.
Okay, that's the end of the ride. Please hop off
Great.
onto the platform. And if you'd like to go on the ride again,
Yeah.
just get in the lineup.
Jack, can I go first this time?
Yeah.
If you want to go again.
Sure.
Great.
Okay, who's next?
Me!
Okay, please hop in the red boat.
Yay, I get the red boat. Finally. Whoops, wrong way.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Woohoo! That was even better than when I was in the orange boat.
Okay, you're gonna go on the orange boat.
Yeah. I'm so excited to go on the orange boat now.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Okay, life jackets.
Thanks. Ouch.
Jack, are you okay?
Soaked. Okay, please keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Bye, Jack.
Bye. See you later, alligator. That didn't turn out. Do you want to stop?
That's the end of the ride. Please hop off onto the platform.
We don't get a choice, Jack. We just have to get on.
Yeah.